बीजेपी मीटिंग नॅशनल एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मीटिंग जे आज नॉमिनेशन बोलला आमचे बाब नितीन नबीनाचे ते गोवा ऑल्सो हॅड टू फॉरवर्ड इट्स मीन्स पेपर्स दॅट वी आर फुली सपोर्टिंग हिम त्या कारणा लागून आम्ही हांगा आयला हांगा आयला तेन्ना आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान एक इनिशिएटीव घेतला आणि आम्ही सगळे त्याचे बरोबर आशिल्ले बाब सदानंद तनावडे Honorable Member of Parliament, Bab Nilesh Kabral, Honorable MLA, myself, and also Honorable Chief Minister. He led the delegation. Ekuch Bab Rajnath Singh Sangpa, Dabolim Airport is the most important airport as far as tourism is concerned. Under no circumstances you should have more flights shifting from there and going to Mopa, as well as facing closure. हे भाशेन जायत रावल्या मागीर क्लोजर जावपाक शकता न्हू तेणें सांगला असले कांयच प्रपोजल ना इट इज वन ऑफ द प्रेस्टिजियस एअरपोर्ट ऑफ एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया आणि आपण आनीक इनिशिएटीव घेवन बाकीचे कोण कितें आहा ते आपण फुल गोवा हेल्प करता आणि तुमच्या डिमांड प्रमाणे हो एअरपोर्ट उरतलो आता आमी परत तेका मेळपाचे आसा आय विल गेट ऑल द रेलिव्हंट पेपर्स in the past also whatever are there including the union cabinet decision which was there हे कित्याक दिवपा पडटा की GMR being a private entity they are lobbying a lot there is no politics involved here it is commercial interest but we told him this should never be allowed because if this happens it will be against tourism in Goa it will be against people of South Goa that should never be a thing north versus south आमकां दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट जाय Goa as the preferred destination can easily sustain both airports, whether North Goa, Manohar International Airport, whether South Goa, Dabolim International Airport, both airports can sustain themselves very healthily. There are enough flights coming. It's only that we have to see that we get more charters. We have to see that newer destinations are explored. There is more connectivity. And with such tremendous good work done by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, today even a common man prefers to fly because there is a cutting of time. Udan scheme which is there helps connectivity with the most remote areas. So this is something which one never thought of. As against this background, obviously Goa like state preferred tourist destination with maximum tourists which surpasses its own population over and over again. Almost we have something like 1 crore tourists coming. As against that background, definitely both airports are necessary for Goa. This is what we impressed upon him. He was very, very forthcoming and he is fully supporting Goa in their demands. Honorable Chief Minister and all of us insisted that this situation should continue where we will continue to have both airports in existence to support more tourists whether foreign or domestic or from all over the world coming to Goa.